Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gtknoob, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm not on my Z900 today. I'm on a classic 350. This bike has its own charm, man. It's not all that powerful like the Z900, but definitely has its own charm. I think all bikes have their own charm, man. Whether you ride a scooty or a bullet or a super bike, all two-wheelers have their own charm. Yes, and this bike feels so nice to cruise around. No rush, just cruise. Cruise like there's no tomorrow, baby. So the reason for me riding this bike is there's a big reason for that. So right now I'm heading to meet a friend of mine. He has invited me to his place. So I'm heading there. It's gonna be a small surprise for you guys. Just wait and watch, just wait and watch. Cloudy today in Gangtok. Hello, so there was my friend. He was asking me where have I reached. I think after a few days it might rain. Just look at the clouds, it's getting dark. Yesterday was really clear sunny day. Today is sunny, but there's a bit of cloud. So comfortable, man, so comfortable and nice. Bloody missed my gear, not used to the bike. Behind the bus is so boring, man. Damn, bloody hell. Move, brother, move. Bloody, oh, less traffic just after Diwali. Zindagi ek safar hai suhana. This is bypass road, towards bypass. This is the bypass road. Oh, so it will obviously go towards bypass. What the hell am I talking about? Now here's a small jump because of cars parked. Bloody, move, brother, move. This is why the jam is. The jam. Now you see why the jam it was. Oh man, no indicator, nothing. Bloody. If you're watching my videos, then please, for God's sake, give some indicators if you're gonna stop somewhere or gonna go somewhere. Bloody, it's so irritating when you stop all of a sudden in the middle of the road and then person behind you has no clue what you're gonna do. Bloody. So I think I need to return back early today because yesterday was too much, because I had to edit till 3 a.m. in the morning. Bapre. So it's like every day is like 10 to 1 or 2 is editing time, and then I sleep, and then my routine is all messed up. And my sleep is messed up. But I'm trying hard to make everyday vlogs. So a like and a subscribe would be appreciated by all of you guys, you know. And for those who have already subscribed and like, thank you so much for supporting. Wow. Look at the dry leaves on the road. Looks nice, but it's kind of dusty, it seems. Why is it so dusty here? Oh, ooh, man. Oh, it's cold here, man. Windy. Oh, this bike feels nice. So comfortable, no need to rush. It's just cruise, and I'm not wearing anything inside my legs, so it's like so cold, man. Just wearing jeans. So the riding gear what I'm wearing right now is just helmet, gloves, and these boots, DCX short boots. Something got in my eye. Bloody, you guys must be thinking, why am I riding this Royal Enfield today? Specifically, why today? Why? And I rode this bike I think a month ago. But why today? Why? I'll give you the reason why. I'll show you the reason why in a while. Just wanted to have a good feel of this bike right now. Some of you might have guessed it why. Anyways guys, hope you liked yesterday's video. It was a different kind of video, like a scenic one. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch yesterday's video. It's a really nice place, Roomtech site. You will love it. And if you visit Sikkim by any chance, don't forget to visit that place, because the road is damn good. And the scenery, obviously, no talks about that. Chalo mutua. Chalo mutua. Oh, Baba, तुम ये करছি इधर क्या बोलছি इसको? पठोल ये जासी. और तुम पठोल बचाईसी. Yeah. Nice, man. Nice. Baby, and we need to go, right? Come here. Okay, the indicator is on. My hands are on too. Go, brother. Do not stop, brother. Bloody. I've heard. I guess it was a good thing that I bought the bullet. Bullet. Sounds nice when you say bullet, not bullet. Should have that bullet sound, you know. Oh man, the road is so bad. Bad road, bad. Oh, Baba. Rasta Chorung has a very good suspension, you know. Compared to my Z, obviously. La 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 la. I glide over the off-road, bloody off-road. Chorung, Baba. Chorung, chorung, chorung. What a perfect coincidence. I didn't bring my Z and the road is so bad. Ah, such a comfortable position, man. No problems at all on the 350 Classic. If you want to ride roads like this, it's perfect. Because of yesterday's exercise, my right tricep is paining. Kutta chhara bahat. Ore babua. Ore babua. Ki korche tum? Yeah. Kutte bhi na. Kutta, the dogs are in a very good mood today. They want to bite me. These two don't. They like me, minding their own business. Oh my god, more dogs. This looks like a big one. Okay, I have reached the destination. Oh, this is the surprise. I wanted to take a good feel of this bike, so that I can compare it with this one.
Comparison, okay.
Oh, looks really nice. Hiness. It looks big, it's a little bit longer. New bike.
And India mount with here. Come, we can keep the stuff here.
No, it's okay. Hello. Hello, Jagdal. How are you? So this is the Honda CB 350 Hiness, not the CB 350, but the CB 350 Hiness, because CB 350 has a twin cylinder. Oh, wow, this feels so comfortable. I think it's more of like the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Feels like that. Oh, the clutch is really light. Look at this. Even with the pinky finger. And the paint job, my god, look at the paint job. It's glitter. The fit and finish is really nice. Honda fit and finish. Let's start it up. Whoa. Just listen to that sound.